Hello, my name's Lawrence. I've had quite a bit of treatment this time round. I've had a bridge replaced, I've had root canal treatment, and I've also had a crown. Well, I've been coming to Brightside for a long time, and it used to be in another road, Maidstone Road, and I followed you here to Palmer's Green. Everything was very well explained. I'm very comfortable with the team. They're always polite, they always keep you informed. Absolutely perfect. No need to be nervous. It's painless. It's so sophisticated now. All the modern equipment's here. It's so easy. I would do, because everything is explained to you, the cost, what's involved, alternatives if there are some. Yeah, it's well explained. Very, very good.